Karnal is a small town with a population of about 5 lakhs with about 100 doctors, out of which 20 are postgraduates, and we have virtually no super specialists in the town. And I think the same situation exists in most of the small towns or small cities of India.
Sometimes the patients, because of the economic burden and whatever it is, in spite of being sick, they don't go out of their small villages just because they can't afford it.
They are busy in their work, so to come to a bigger town, bigger city, they have to take out time from their routine and from their work, which means losing their daily wage also.
Now the basic handicap we have is that when we have an offbeat patient, a patient with a little rare diagnosis, a patient where the management is tricky, or sometimes where the management is not so tricky but the patient is difficult to satisfy, and that is where online consultation with a specialist comes in.
So here what we are basically doing is that we are trying to send specialist care at the furthest of possible centers in India.
कृष्ण कुमार जी मेरा नाम है, उम्र मेरी 45 साल, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट से मिलना था तो मैं आया, बात की मैंने डॉक्टर साहब से, माइक पे बात हुई तो मैं तो यही कंफ्यूज में था कि डॉक्टर साहब यहीं अवेलेबल हैं इस नर्सिंग होम के अंदर, और बाद में पता चला कि दिल्ली से बात हो रही है। मैं बहुत ही अच्छा है तो
My first impression was that actually majority of these patients have minor problems. They don't have major problems. So actually these minor problems can be easily tackled the way we do it at eye clinic.
Eye clinic, I can see a patient face to face. I can ask him any questions. If there is any clinical examination to be done, that can be done by the doctor sitting on the other end. And all the reports which already have been taken for the patient, I can see those reports on the computer.
We did think that the patients would not feel at home sitting in front of a camera, but once we put up a projector and there was a huge screen and the doctor on the other side was practically talking to our patient and talking to us, and he was writing notes and we were writing notes, the patients took to it very easily. We have taken to it very easily.
हम दिल्ली का खर्चा भी अफोर्ड कर लेंगे, परंतु हम आने जाना और वहाँ रहने की प्रॉब्लम हमारे को बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए हम यहाँ ही रखना चाहते हैं। उन्होंने 2-3 टेस्ट बताए, भी ये टेस्ट करो। अब जो है अब 35-40% ठीक हैं।
It was really helpful to me as I was suffering from chest pain and palpitation. Both the qualified doctors and the doctor from abroad, he listened me and also gave me further what should I do. I got my time saved also. I have not to go outside.
लिमिटेशंस होती हैं कि एक हॉस्पिटल से पेशेंट को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना पड़ता है दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में, फिर वो वहाँ क्या कहा कंसल्टेंट ने हमें नहीं पता होता था, फ़ोन पे कंसल्टेंट ने हमें क्या कहा पेशेंट को नहीं पता होता था। नाउ द थिंग इज़ वी 3 आर देयर और एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं, कंसल्टेंट से बात कर रहे हैं, तो बड़ा इजी हो जाता है पेशेंट के लिए भी। पेशेंट सेटिस्फाइड जाता है कि ठीक है जी, मेरे सामने बात हुई है, डॉक्टर साहब ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है मेरे सामने।
I am suffering from paralytic attack for the last 6 years. I was much impressed from such programs where I could talk face to face to the doctors about my ailment, to know about my treatment, whether I am going to the right direction or not.
My name is J.K. Dewan. I am 75 years of age. For the last 10 years, I've been suffering from the diabetes also. The way he asked my problems and step by step the difficulty I was feeling in my day-to-day working, because he talks in a very, very clear way. You don't feel that you are away from your doctor, you feel just you are sitting face to face to your doctor explaining to him. I asked him 2-3 things and he replied to me and I never got a feeling that I am sitting quite away from him.
We had a patient, this was a poor lady who came with headache, vomiting, then she threw a seizure. We got an MRI done. The MRI said query space occupying lesion and query infective pathology. Our Karnal radiologists were not very sure. We took an online consultation, and the neurologist on the other hand, on the other side, he reviewed the films and he said this is an infective lesion. give her antibiotics, give her antifungals, and the patient improved. If that patient had gone to Delhi or to Gurgaon, she would have spent about 4 lakhs. We could manage her in less than 30,000.
The best part of it is that I sit in the comfort of my room, and then I'm seeing patients for which I don't need to run around.
I think this field is going to grow in future because no one can deal with all specialties at a time.
हमें यहीं बैठे हमें सारी चीज़ों में फैसिलिटी मिल रही है, इससे अच्छा और क्या चाहिए.
I felt very nice that at sitting at such a small place I could talk to the specialist miles away from Karnal.
The eye clinic people are wonderful. They set up the entire thing for us. The doctor is waiting online and we have a consultation like this.